Hi, this is Rhoda Herring with Watermark Real Estate Group. I'm excited to introduce you to my listing at 504 Creekview Court in Murrells Inlet, South Carolina. This is a 4-bedroom, 3.5-bath house, just under 3,200 heated square feet, and sits on a lot just under a half an acre in a small gated community called Bellwood Landing inside of Prince Creek. Here's what I love about this house. First, this custom-built home has all of the adders, so it's move-in ready. It includes a fenced-in backyard overlooking a lake, a fully wired whole house generator, central vacuum, and full house water purification system. Second, this neighborhood has access to a private amenity center called The Park, which features multiple tennis courts, multiple pickleball courts, pools, covered pavilion, natural walking trails, and tons of green space. Schedule your showing today.